Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this fall inspired full glam makeup look with some undertones of orange, brown. So if you want to know how I got this look, let's get started. To prep my skin, I'm first spraying the PAC Prep and Prime. To soothe out my dry patches, I'll first apply the hydrating primer by Makeup Forever on the areas where my skin flakes the most. Because the rest of my face falls under the normal skin type, I'm applying the Milani Prime Perfection Hydrating Primer. To fill in those pores of my forehead and my nose, I'm picking up the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer, and for the pores under my eyes I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer because I have huge pores in this area. For foundation, I'm going for the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9, and to blend it, I'm using a Damn Beauty blender. As you can tell with this foundation, your skin looks really natural and luminous. It gives you a light to medium buildable coverage, which I personally love. For concealer, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer, which is my favorite, in the shade Stark Nude and Beach Sand. I'm going to use this mostly to highlight my under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy. And to blend it, I'm using an angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. For powder, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. Now, personally, I don't like to use loose powders to my face because I have a dry skin. So, I'll just be setting the areas where my concealer creases the most, that is under my eyes and my forehead. To give some dimension and structure to my face, I'll be contouring my face with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. This is darker than my skin shade, so it will help in creating those shadows that got concealed with the foundation. I'm using this in the usual places like my cheekbones, circumference of my face, chin and nosy. To blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush. Now to bring back that warmth to my face, I'll be using a bronzer. This one's Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and this will go right above my contour. To apply it, I'm using an angled brush. And to add some flush of colors to my cheeks, I'm using a cream blush. This one is by Sugar and it's in the shade Mauve Marvel. To blend it in my skin, I'm using an angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. For highlighter, I'm using the shade Moonstone from the Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics on the highest points of my face, and I'm using a fan brush to apply it. For my brows, I'm using this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. I'll first use the spoolie to brush my hair down so I can clearly see on top and fill it in. And then I'll brush my hair upwards and I'll fill in the lower part of my brows. And then at the end, I'll use the spoolie one more time to spread the color up across so it looks more natural. Now to set and seal everything in place, I'm using the PAC Prep and Prime. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer, and this one is in the shade Beach Sand. To set it, I'll be using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'll be using a sticky tape. To warm up my crease area, I'm using this deep orange shade Realgar from Modern Vanessa palette by ABH Cosmetics with my larger blending brush. To deepen and intensify my crease and outer corner even more, I'm using this brown shade from Nika K eyeshadow palette in the style Autumn Spice with my PAC brush in the style 126, and to blend it, I'm using a smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For my lid, I'm first picking up this bright gold shade Gold Glitch from Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty on my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics, and to clean its edges, I'm using a flat short shader brush. For the inner half of my lid, I'm using this beautiful rose gold shade from the iconic London Loose Pigment palette with my flat short shader brush. And to brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using the shade Vermeer from Modern Vanessa palette by ABH Cosmetics with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. And to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm using the same brown shade from Autumn Spice palette by Nika K eyeshadow palette with my PAC brush in the style 126. I'm lining my top lash line with Lakme Insta Liner, and I'm also drawing out a small wing in my outer corners. And for my waterline, I'm using this white liner by Farmore. For lipstick, I'll be using a combination of In Vogue and Skin Deep by Faces Canada. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'll be applying some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for falsies, I'm applying the Sloshy Lashes. This one's in the style Breezer. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a beautiful brown top and some gold statement earrings. I love how glamorous and stunning this look turned out. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you with my next video. Bye guys.